Hi, in this demo I will show you how to create a loop that executes something a fixed number of times. For example, execute something 5 times. The trick is that you have to create a variable of type list and you have to loop over that variable. So I will create a new variable and I will call it counter, and it's a type list. So that's done. And now I will add items to my list, which is called counter. So I will add an item and the value or the item is 1. And then I will add another one, 2, and another one, 3, and another one, 4. Okay, and now I can add a loop block. And I will tell it to loop over my variable counter, which is a list. And I will show some output inside the loop, and I will show the actual value of the counter. Okay, if I now run this, you can see that the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, so the loop was executed exactly 4 times. Thank you.